Okay, Paul, Golden Gate Enterprises. We're at another leaking waterproof deck. What we have is a liquid applied system here. We're up here in the East Bay Hills, and while this looks like it's sound, the closer we look, there's a lot of cracking going on. If you look here, there's cracking over here. There's all sorts of cracking going on the surface. You get a little closer look, and what happens is water migrates through these cracks over time, and once it's underneath, then you've got water leaks. So this is another liquid applied system that they pretty much all fail in a relatively short-term basis. We love them because we get to go redo them, but this is not a place to spend your money if you want to get this taken care of properly. And we've got a deck that's about 10, 20, 30, 35, and about 10, 15, 20. And we've got one door, and we've got pretty good clearance with the stucco. And underneath the door, let's take a look at what's going on here. Here we're a little challenged. The flange comes right down to the surface that's here. Okay, so that's a quick view of this deck, and we'll keep you posted here. This is Paul, Golden Gate Enterprises, your San Francisco Bay Area waterproof deck specialist. This also comes out to a gutter over here. There is drip edge flashing that can be tied into over here, and we can pretty much take care of this deck here. All right, thank you.